top stories. Mass protest against CA bill rocks entire Northeast region. MSSA launches indefinite cease work strike against government's failure to implement 7th Pay Commission. And International Weightlifting Federation has revoked the ban imposed on India's Commonwealth Games gold medalist Khumukcham Sanjita ChanU. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Massive protests against Citizenship Amendment Bill rocked the entire Northeast states of India. Political parties in the Northeast, especially regional outfits, allege that the bill is an attempt to make illegal migrants eligible for Indian citizenship on the basis of religion. The Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 has led to protests in the Northeast after its passage in the Lok Sabha last week. In connection with the ongoing turmoil, Kaisamthong Elangbam Lekai, Longzam Lekai Maning, Irom Pukri Mapal Apunba Development Committees have jointly staged a sit-in protest against the CA bill at Kaisamthong Elangbam Lekai today. President of KELI, Ningthozam Basanti, has said that the Indian government is trying to create a big issue by passing the Citizenship Amendment Bill in the Lok Sabha recently, in spite of the fact that the people in the state has been demanding for inner line permit system. The bill must never be allowed to apply in the state and everyone must stand against the bill. She further added. Women folk of New Chekon along with volunteers of New Chekon Youth Club and New Chekon Youth Front staged sit-in demonstration demanding withdrawal of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. General Secretary of Amuko Sorokhaibam Sanjoy, Dr. Arambam Noni of Moirang College opined their views on Citizenship Amendment Bill and how it can affect the state. Talking to Tom TV News, one of the Maira Paibis, Elangbam Mataulebi, said that New Chekon Youth Club, New Chekon Youth Club and New Chekon Youth Front will never back down in protesting against the bill.
India government na central government na satkibagi matamda Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 se Lok Sabha da pass tawkibasi yaningde haina phongdopo na imam yam ngasi chu leiriba Maira Paibi adaga New Chekon Youth Club na silaga ngasi phamniba protest rally sisu imam yam adaga mim yam na laaga saruk yanaba and then masigi bill se karigumba Raja Sabata passed Ragadi, Imam Yamnasu, Mayam Malem Ya, the Bagi, states to the Moshu Yawata Surukyani Haina Ponuksari. With camera person, lawyer, Blessing Gang, my Tom TV News, check on Infal.
Massive protest against Citizenship Bill rocked Northeast region. In Aizawl, Mizoram's NGO Coordination Committee and umbrella organization of civil societies and students' bodies have decided to boycott the Republic Day celebration in the state in protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill. The NGO Coordination Committee also held a protest rally across the state. The Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 passed in the Lok Sabha on 8 January seeks to provide Indian citizenship to non-Muslims from Bangladesh, Pakistan and Afghanistan after 6 years of residence in India instead of 12 years, which is the norm currently. Even if they do not possess any document, Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga on Monday had alleged that the bill was against the principle of secularism and if passed would be harmful to states such as Mizoram, where there are many illegal Buddhist migrants from Bangladesh. A full-dress parade rehearsal for the upcoming Republic Day celebration was held today at First Emma Ground, in which 83 contingents comprising of students from different high schools and high secondary schools along with state and central forces, Manipur Fire Service, Manipur Police Traffic, Red Cross Society and various departments of the state governments took part. Various proscribed groups in the state has appealed the public to stop celebrating the upcoming Republic Day celebration and called for a boycott against this celebration in the state. In a written notice jointly released by President of KCPTH Labamete, Chairman of KLO Jivan Singh Koch, Chairman of KYKL and Oken, President of NDFB B. Sarangwal, along with other leaders of various proscribed groups in the state and other states of Northeast region have strongly condemned the Indian Republic Day celebrations and has appealed to a total shutdown in the entire Northeast states from morning 6 a.m. till 6 p.m. of January 26. On the other hand, media coordinator of Khumukcham Sanjita also notified a press release boycotting the Republic Day celebrations. The press release further urged the public to stay indoors and not to take part in the Republic Day celebrations. The United People's Revolutionary Front of Manipur UPRFM has also boycotted the Republic Day celebration on January 26. This was informed in a press release issued by the front. The front has also called an 11-hour total shutdown from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. on the Republic Day, the release added. Meanwhile, the KCP People's War Group has also boycotted the Republic Day celebrations in the state. Manipur Secretariat Service Association has launched an indefinite cease-work strike starting from today, decrying the failure of the state government to implement their demands. The demand includes implementation of 7-pay commission, the provision and also gives promotion on time. The employees of like any other day came to work. However, the department, which is considered the backbone of the state government, was empty with no work done and the visitors were not allowed inside the office to fulfill their cease work. Speaking to media persons, MSSA General Secretary Purujit Lairik Yangbam said that the association took mass casual leave on 16th and 17th of this month in connection to their demands. They also appealed Chief Secretary to settle the issue of implementing all their demands before it's too late. Still, the state government has failed to meet their demands, though the Chief Minister and the Chief Secretary promised to meet the demands many times. Purujit further added that the association will continue to protest if the state government turns a deaf ear to their demands, which is a basic right for any worker.
Yamna wangnamdi chawna phasina mong tana chumna pikiba ademna truthfulness asengba chumma oiraktabagi phimdo lakpaduna maram oiraga akhone yamna pamdana hairibun hantai tratru madi tratrita masko jelip lowna tawgiba adunga si tarik kulum doisitagi sirwa strike tawna tawri habese masi akogi bureaucratic officers sing high level la leiba officers sing mayam sing hena achochoba department sing role lowdana madugi assignment tawna laibasing asina khangmidadana laiba habase it is very unfortunate yana laibuk thibane am nungaitaba aduna yamna justifiably yamna chumna niyom je khangna thabak singe tawira agadi why should we go on strike the way ko strike chang adu mayan apami ba walhori ba sogma DA gi portion DA gi DR gi portion je kedobagi matam jana pidabano every 6 months kudingi laiba increment hangle increases sing si this is more related with the price index.
The International Weightlifting Federation has revoked the ban imposed on India's Commonwealth Games gold medalist Khumukcham Sanjita ChanU today. The sports apex body informed the India Weightlifting Federation IWLF and Sanjita of the development. Sanjita, who had won a gold medal in the women's 53 kg category at the 2018 Commonwealth Games in Gold Coast, had tested positive for anabolic steroid testosterone as her urine sample was taken prior to the World Championships in November 17. The 25-year-old Indian lifter was then put under provisional suspension in May last year. In Gold Coast, Sanjita had set a new Commonwealth Games record with a lift of 84 kg in snatch and 108 kg in clean and jerk to finish with a total of 192 kg. Well, it's time now for a short break.
Singugi paujel, singugi paujel. Numit thaja kumja suri, singu ipu taret saphongli, ipu tau pakhang bana phambal tongi hairakli. Sare pharaba seklana, masamaring phanna, maning tamna, atyada paige hairakli. Laklo, ipu tau pakhang bana takpa, aikhoi achumba lambi, leire. Kiranu, kibagi matam natre, haujikti. Tungi mirolgi, icha isu singi, achumba lambi thamlam lasi. Manipuri ima, waba kham thiengli. Ima gi pirang, macha aikhoi ni taithok lasi. Kiranu, ima na mangda, ibe na tungda, ipa na yetta, ipu na oida ngakli. Macha masu senari, ngasi phau. Aikhoi son thabagi matam loire. Malem da manipuri ima gi saktam tak lasi. Malem khanghan lasi. Ngasi gi mirolna matam loire takle pire achumba lambi laklo singburoi tamburoi imagi tung illo laklo natu naman khingdoklo noluk na paujen jariba salai laithau sanglen, a unit of Salai Holdings Private Limited.
Manipur da ihan hanba oina healthcare products singi fangfom Dynamic Instruments Healthcare System. Registered Office Khoyathong Nagamapal Road, Imphal 795001. Branch Office Lalambung Makhong Rims Road near Syndicate Bank, Imphal 795001. Complete Rainstar Surgical Instruments, Hospital Equipments, OT Lights and Tables, Auto Claps, Rehabilitation Aids, Hospital Consumables, Healthcare Products, Diagnostic Reagents, Hearing Aids, Blood Glucometer, Digital BP Monitor, Air Mattress, amadi Nebulizer na chingba singi oina New Year gi 20 to 25% discount pizari with terms and conditions apply. Hena kupamarol gidama contact tobirau 0385 2056092 amadi 917085776993. Ekoigi email diagnoinst@gmail.com. Ngasimak lengsin birau Dynamic Instruments Healthcare System.
Ganglei Park Modern School. Admission started for 2019 session. Free admission with 100% concession and tuition fee and 1 month free boarding for the third and following children of the same parent. Inspirational awards and prizes for meritorious students. Facilities available. Special concession for students from BPL families and fatherless children. Free medical checkup at least once a year. Separate boarding for boys and girls. Session starts from 21st January. For more information, please contact 8974-834-231.
Welcome back after the break. President of Joint Administrative Council of All Manipur Aided School Employees Organization, Senjam Mani, have urged the state government to fulfill their demands by 31st of this month, failing which they will call for 48 hours ban all over Manipur from the day. He said this while addressing a press conference held at Manipur Press Club today. He further said the authorities of government-aided schools in Manipur are frustrated as teachers are suffering due to negligence of the state government. Recurring fund for teachers is not being paid properly. Besides, salaries are also not paid unlike other states. He added.
Approved post manga lebida ani hangba ahum hangba post ahum lebida ahum hangba oza leitaba sumo school masingji yamjale aduna maram orga ere school gi oza sing ha kar launu wanare grant su phangre aduga khwaidagi aki bamadi ngasai gi post to men ba kan da sahi ani thengana dpc tawrga di effect to budu mamang da jerio gi level da tawringa da hanga pa matam dei tawrum effect to hoji tawdreba immediate effect dipisi to buni biti parga pire adurgati sangna hangiba matam sahi amani hangiba matam du paisa se pidreba adurgati ngasai recurring grant to artha thui brasi recurring grant leptna pigde grant to recurring grant to lep ga sab lep ga pire aduna thinda libigi maram sina ozana thinda banati dpc se tawna be proposal se kanana kawi department na order am thui moine format am piri format 1 2 3 ana
Chief Electoral Officer of Manipur under the supervision of Election Commission of India has organized a lucky draw lottery as part of EVM VVPAT familiarization campaign at Lumphel today. The campaign was held in order to familiarize the public on how to use the EVM and VVPAT. Administrator of Manipur University, General Singh, and Chief Electoral Officer PK Singh were the main guests. It may be mentioned that a total of 1,41,000 voters have took part in the training.
39 were from the state only, and about 40 companies had come from outside the state. 30 of CRPF and 10 from neighboring states, armed police. So the commissioners indicate that this time also the level will be almost similar. If there's some kind of a requirement, they can increase the level also. We'll be using state police also in the elections, state armed police as well. And the level will be similar to what was happening in 2014 Lok Sabha elections. There has been an increase of 44 polling stations this time. It's not 2861, 44. Why? Because in some cases in urban areas it went beyond 1400, in rural areas it went beyond 1200. In some cases people had to walk more than 2 kilometers. So we've rationalized the whole thing and increased 44.
Lamding Educated Welfare Association has opposed the renaming of President Wangzing Lamding Municipal Council to Wangzing Municipal Council. The association has demanded to inspect the matter and reconsider the naming as early as possible. According to a press release issued by the president of the association, S. Ojit, the decision has taken up after the cabinet meeting has aggravated the residents, and omitting the Lamding is an enormous move which will ignite fire between the peaceful resident of Wangzing and Lamding. All India Forward Bloc Manipur State Committee AIFB MSC observed 122nd birthday of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose at Manipur Press Club today. Addressing the gathering, State Secretary of AIFB MSC Khumukcham said Subhash Chandra Bose was a patriotic leader with a vision to shape India into a supernation. But today India is crippled with multiple issues of both politically and socially due to lack of great leaders like Bose, he added.
Puna Mangama photo of the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Kangagaso, Magi Wakalon, Manga Kari Pamamino, Magi political vision Carino, Magi social outlook Carino, High City, Mayam, in Nadaba. Aduna Marumo Kanda, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Magi Mapunchina Katokanda, Bharat Ningtam Nabaki, Southeast Asia, Danatana, Prithvi the lady of New Kuna Seda, Aso Masak Haidana. Punamaki Yaipaba, Punamaki Babum Baba, Ningtam Baba Pamba, Kunayama, Sakatsanabaki Mangwanda, Aduki Wakalon, the Sekib Nupasiki, Magi Wakalon, the man can be driver. Adunani, Masi Baran and Ningtam Matung Chahi Hundrasur about that, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose contribution, Magi Vision, Adunasi about the Kango Watpatagi, Bharat Nasi, political turmoil, social turmoil, no Magi. यामना फिल्म चादबर सुम हेंगनी.
As part of the observance, office bearer and members of AIBF MSSA paid floral tribute to the photograph of Subhash Chandra Bose. MLA and Susildro of Khurai district inaugurated the new building of NMC at Khurai Kongpal, Thobangdong, Imphal East at the club's anniversary today. The function was also attended by Khurai Namdaibam Lekai Jila Parishad member A. Okendra, Pradhan of Khurai Chingangbam Lekai Gram Panchayat, L. Kananbala, Pradhan of Khurai Chingangbam Lekai Gram Panchayat, NG Zone and NMC President Dr. Khagokpam Biren. Floral tributes were offered to the leaders who took active participation in the club's activities. MLA and Susindro elaborated on the role of club in the development of a locality. In a first of its kind meet-up session by a celebrity from the northeastern state of Manipur, Miss Soma Laishram met her fans, social media influencers in Delhi. Here's a report.
Manipur's very own multi-talented and award-winning actress Soma Laishram had her first meet and greet session with her fans in the capital city of New Delhi. During the meet and greet session, fans in New Delhi, who are also influencers with huge followings on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, came and interacted with the fashion diva from Manipur. Soma is a social media influencer in her own right, 2 lakh followers on Instagram. With billions of people active on social media, it has become obvious that the influential status of well-known personalities like Soma Laishram from small cities are no longer restricted to a particular region or country, but everything is now becoming worldwide. The model turned actor and singer from Manipur confessed during the session that being on social media has helped her connect with her fans not only in the northeast region of India but across the length and breadth of the country and globally as well. Thanking her fans who came from all parts of Delhi NCR, she said, "It's just an overwhelming experience to be here in Delhi amongst you all and receive so much love far away from where I am. I think this can be seen as a turning point in my life to be here in the capital of the country, meeting my loved ones and interacting with social media influencers like you all. All thanks to social media for making it possible to connect with everyone." Soma was greeted warmly by multiple brands, namely VLCC and Monet Civics, who sponsor attendee gifts at the meetup in recognition of her celebrity status and influential social media presence. The actress also celebrated her birthday with fans and social media influencers at the meetup, which was held one of the multi-cuisine restaurants serving authentic Manipuri foods in Delhi, showing her support and love for food and people of her home state. At the sideline of the event, the actress spent time personally interacting with her fans and gave out gifts to all the people who came to meet her at the session. Soma Laishram also promised her fans to work harder and keep them all updated through social media.
Now the sports news. In sports, at the first ground of 8 Harauro Trophy State Level Village-wise Football Tournament at Harauro YMC Ground, Khunrakpam Bolero Sekta defeated Mangal FC by 2-1. At the same ground, Lamlai FC got walkover as Sekta FC did not show up for the match. Let's take a short break once again.
Machalgi Sasenaba Products Sindagi Jackson Biu. Kanglai Park Spices Industry na puthokpa Machalgi atopa manaba manufacturing unit amata leizade. KSI na puthokpa machal gi asengba product sing asibu khangnabagidama packaging da KSI logo Kanglaipak Spices Industry yaubara haina check tobiu amasung packaging da ISO 9001-2008 or ISO 9001 or 2015 asi yaubra haina check tobiu lalamung makhong takhelamam lekai rims road factory thangwaiban sinam lekai haina thari basin nataba atopa amata machal gi asengba product natte sasinaba amasung malhan basingdagi checksin biu hena kupamarol khangna baleng sinbirau machal Kanglaipak Spices Industry lalamung makhong takhelamam lekai rims road factory thangwaiban sinam lekai near lamphel lampak natraga logon tobiu www.machalspices.com or Facebook/machalspices natraga email tobirau info@machalspices.com
Nana Mupadu Bumayamana Yapote Lobusa Carbolatro
Jacrima
Aduiti Zainjang the Luciana Taurodana
Bishon the Butot Polorabadi Injangiti Town Lorabane Aduima Dugandagi Bishon the Gomachanduga they be Rogera
Hoi Imalo Biruraki Bunga Bisholamaga Masalamaga Dapi
Ne Kanglaipak Spices Industry production lobiron iramdongi posuere pojan juaukre chang sokre aduine KSI na hogi basai try panji the posoi ba production yamrazan ginger powder chili powder turmeric powder cinnamon powder mithi jira powder amadi hairi bo loinana sa masal amadi machalla powwa mayang manadaba packaging system so oraba manipur da yan anboina spices industry da ISO 9001-2008 amadi ISO 9001-2015 phangmada natana trademark su registration tawraba KSI gi product am sizinabiu
Sina khwai dagi hena pharena bonina pire inni
Ima KSI gi product sidi yam phabane
Lamdam asigi lawni singmi singi ahangba lamsingda thabi hauro Mahindra company amadi Holland country gi Heiss ZPC company ga punna tissue culture tawraga puthokchaba asengba alu char iramdam asigi leibak le hawa yamna chunaraba alu angangba Lady Rosetta amadi alu angogba karfi jyoti makhal animak pambiragani supnatagi alu piece amana alu kg ama hena puthokpa ngamba alu makhalni iramdam asibu sabu ongnaba alu puthoklasi asengba alu char tharsi Sarnaba alu undok khagna maton thoklaga semba alu chara tharagum si haiba kholao amagaloina sahi ahum sumna chatharakpa mission amagi makhada pujarakpa alu chara singni mipal tangdana iramdam asida alu gi awapa lehelagum si lengsing birau ngasimak Mahindra tractor showroom Malong Bazar Lintoi House Kaksing Bazar adongi ahangba phum singda alu thabiduna iramdam asida alu gi awapa lehelagum si.
Welcome back. Ahead of Republic Day celebrations, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate 3 new museums inside the Red Fort commemorating India's freedom struggle today. The first is on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and the Indian National Army INA. It showcases artifacts related to Bose and INA, including a wooden chair and sword used by Netaji, medals, badges, uniforms and more. The INA trials were held in the Red Fort. Modi will also unveil the Yadi Jallian Museum that will take the visitors through the history of Jallianwala Bagh massacre of 1919. It will also showcase the heroism, valor and sacrifices made by Indian soldiers during World War I. The third museum portrays the historical narrative of the 1857 War of Independence, showcasing the valor and sacrifices made by Indians during the period. The museums have been designed to provide an immersive experience to visitors with photographs, paintings, newspaper clippings, ancient public records, audio and video clips, animation and multimedia. Gujarat's Primary Education Department has issued a circular to district authorities asking them to ensure a ban on online multiplayer game PUBG in primary schools. It started that children were getting addicted to the game. It was adversely affecting their studies. Meanwhile, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights has recommended to ban the game across the country. The U.S. Supreme Court has allowed President Donald Trump to enforce his policy of banning certain transgender people from military. The court lifted injunctions issued against the policy while challenges continue in lower courts. Trump has announced in 2017 to ban transgender persons who require or have undergone gender transition from serving, citing tremendous medical cost and disruptions. Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Citizenship won't be given sans state government's consent, MHA. College students to boycott R-Day. CAB to immediately benefit 31,000 immigrants. Imphal Free Press. Closure of assembly sessions by CM indicates support for CAB, Dilip Kumar. College students not to participate in Republic Day celebration. IHC directs for establishment of child-friendly courts and police stations. YPA's indefinite total shutdown paralyzes normal life. The People's Chronicle. Proroguing assembly exposes government support to CAB. No citizenship without state's consent, MHA. TDC tells NHIDCL to remove weight curve. Police remand of film producer extended. Joy Kumar confirmed Outstanding Entrepreneur Award. BJP leader discusses CAB poll strategy. The Morning Bell. No citizenship without state's consent under Citizenship Bill MHA. Denying special assembly session shows CM support for bill, JCI LPS. Over 30 Guwahati-bound Rohingyas held in Tripura Assam border. YPA strike cripples Churachandpur town. Roma and The Favourite lead Oscar nominations with 10 each.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Mass protest against CA bill rocks entire notice reason. MSSA launches indefinite work strike against government's failure to implement 7th Pay Commission. And International Weightlifting Federation has revoked the ban imposed on India's Commonwealth Games gold medalist Khumukcham Sanjita ChanU. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.